3 of the best budget gaming wheels for any budget. Number 1. Trustmaster T150, coming in at around $200. Number 2. Logitech G29, coming in at around $300 with a shifter. Number 3. Trustmaster T300, coming in at around $600 with a shifter. Now, which of them is the best? Well, all of them are great. Now it all depends on your budget. Now let's get to the long video.
My life be like.
Well, I know that feeling of sim driving when you try to get some skills or have a lot of fun drifting or driving fast. Well, I got you 3 of the best steering wheels that can help you get that cool sensation of driving. Not losing any more of your time, let's talk about the Trustmaster T150.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
It is a high quality responsive racing wheel with a 1080-degree rotation and a built-in vibration system. It is compatible with both PlayStation 4 and PC and a wide range of popular racing games. Its sturdy construction and tactile feedback made it an excellent choice for serious racing games. Although it comes in with only 2 pedals, there is still hope. Over time you can get some separate pedals from Trustmaster and use them. So it's all up to you. Now let's talk about this steering wheel, the Logitech G29. I bet you've seen this in the malls, some arcade. It is a very popular steering wheel that comes with a lot of good features. Some people may say it's old, but since it's not discontinued, Logitech just proved that they made a perfect steering wheel for the budget. The Logitech G29 is a high quality racing wheel with a dual motor force feedback system, 900-degree rotation and compatibility with a wide range of racing games. It comes with a solidly built pedal and optional shifter, as well as D-pad and buttons that can be programmed. It also has some cool lights so you can shift at the perfect moment. Pretty cool, huh? You must subscribe and like the video in the next 6 seconds, or your crush doesn't love you. So anyway, we are at the last steering wheel. This is already at another level, the Trustmaster T300. It's one of the best steering wheels on this list. True, it's a little more expensive, but I'd say that it's worth its money. The Trustmaster T300 is a high-end racing wheel with a brushless servo motor, a 1080-degree rotation and built-in vibration system. It is compatible with a wide range of racing games and comes with solidly built pedals and an optional shifter made of high quality materials. The aluminum construction provides durability and a premium look and feel. Is it better than the Logitech G29? Yes. Do you have a big advantage? Not really. These steering wheels are all competitive wheels, so it doesn't really matter what you choose. To be good, you need skill. So don't be sad because someone has a more expensive wheel. It's just a difference in the driving experience, nothing more. Well, I hope I helped you somehow, or maybe you skipped this video already. Peace out.